Now here is the next question. You are supposed to create, now read the instructions carefully first in the image given below, and then you have to upload your presentation over here. Okay, so this was the hands-on activity that was given in the CFU. So the first instruction is create a Google Slides presentation on the topic different ways to save our environment. Okay, so first let's open a new tab and let's create a presentation. So this is my Google homepage. I'm clicking on this Google App Launcher and I'm clicking on slides to create a new presentation. You can also create a new presentation from Google Drive. You can also use a ready-made template and then edit it. That's your choice. I'm going to start from a blank presentation. Okay, so I'm clicking on this big plus sign. Now that creates a new presentation. Now before starting to create a presentation, please make sure that whenever you are on this slides homepage, please make sure that you are using your own school account. See over here, whether you are using your school account or not. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult to find the presentation and to attach it on a Google form. So when we click on this big plus sign, a new untitled presentation gets created. The first thing that we should do whenever we create a presentation is to name the presentation. So title is different, guys. The title page has a title, right? Over here we put the title, but the name of the presentation is over here. So this untitled presentation is the name of presentation here. So let's remove this and let's name it as different ways to save our. Okay, so if you want, you can put some different title. If you want, you can keep the same title, that is different ways to save our environment. I'm going to write it as save environment. Select you can select a different font type, size and color for this. Okay, so save environment. Perfect. Now over here you can write by and your name. Move to the next part. Now we are supposed to, yeah, let's see the next instruction. So you have the topic given to you. Okay, so the second instruction is search the web for information about the topic using any search engine of your choice. You need to search for information. Okay, your presentation should include only 5 slides. So only 5 slides, guys. First slide should be the title slide. Our title slide is already ready. The second, third and fourth slide will be about different ways to save our environment. You may insert information and images also. Okay. And the last slide should be a thank you slide, and it should also give credit for any information or image that you may have used in your presentation from the web. Okay, now after that you can decorate your presentation using themes, templates and different appropriate backgrounds, and then you have to attach your presentation over here. Okay, so let's get started. Let's add a content slide. Okay, now how to save our environment? Let's do some research about it. Okay, so how to save our environment? Let's search for save our environment. At this first website that is given to us. So this is so amazing. Yeah, they have given such a nice picture. You can put this picture in your presentation. right? So let's copy this image. Yeah, now if you are copying this image, you are supposed to give credit also. So let's copy this image first. Let's go back to our presentation and let's add a blank slide. Write this is to protect our planet. Plus this center. Okay, that looks nice. Now let's make it a little bit bigger. Make it more big, then we won't be able to see the title, and title is very much important for our presentations. Yeah, so there should be a slide for, there should be a title for a slide. Okay, so we'll keep it like this. So this is our slide number 3. Let's edit the second slide. Okay, so 10 simple things you can do to help protect the earth. First one is reduce, cut down on what you throw away, and follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landfill space. So we can copy this, we can paste it over here. So this will be our first thing, right? Second one can be volunteer. Yeah, so you can take this one also. You should volunteer for cleanups in your community. You can get involved in protecting the watershed also. There are so many different things that you can do. You can conserve the water also. Yeah, so you can add this also in your slide, conserving the water. Okay, now let's make this bigger so that it's visible to us. Is put a title over here like move to the next thing. Now let's search for some images. Let's go back to Google and let's see what images we are getting. See, there are so many different images. This one is a good one. Let's take this one. Let's put it up over here. You can put this title also. We are done with our 4 slides. Let's add a thank you slide now. Yeah, so let's add a thank you over here. Big thank you. Then credit. Goes to the website that we took in, information from, right? So we took information from this first website. What was the website? This one, the ocean service. Copy this website. Let's open it first. Let's copy it afterwards. Okay, so this is the URL of the website. Okay, and the website is National Ocean Services. So you can put it over here. The URL. Second website is the image that we took. Okay, so we took image from here, and this was the image that we took. So we'll right click on copy link address, or we can also copy image address. Come back. So this was how you were supposed to create an presentation. You can add a background if you want. From here, go to background. You can select an image. Okay, so for selecting an image, you can go to Google image search and you can select a background, a soft background. Select one that goes along, that goes well with our topic and the images also. Add the same background for all the slides. Okay, so that was how you were supposed to create a presentation. I hope you have understood it.